Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a living room makeover for you. We've had the same kind of super modern minimalist vibe for quite a few years now, and I wanted to bring some warmth and make it a little bit more inviting. Wanted to take you through kind of my thought process and some inspo that I had on Pinterest, which is my go-to for anything like interior design. So I'm going to do that on my phone and put what I'm scrolling right here. So I'll just take you to my Pinterest and kind of show you what I have going on. I have a bunch of different boards like for wardrobe, bathroom, living room, kitchen, bedroom, and everything. But this is kind of where my head is at. I'm loving the kind of bright spaces with beige and the wood, kind of a warm brown, and then the green plants brightening it up a little bit. Really loving the brown leather pieces a lot. Oh, this looks like article. I wonder if that is article. Also really love this navy velvet couch. That's something that I'm debating. I really like the navy velvet. But yeah, this is just kind of the vibe that I've been really liking. And then this pampas grass in a vase or vase is something that I would like to do as well. And I will link to my Pinterest in case you guys are interested in that. I'll show you what I'm thinking in terms of furniture. So not in this color, although I do love this color, but the Sven sofa from Article is one of my favorites. I love the kind of mid-century modern vibe that it has, and the birch ivory I think would just really brighten up our space a lot. And I think that with the texture, it'll also be okay with a dog. I'm just not sure if we can do a sectional in our place. I think our place is too small for a sectional, unfortunately. Here is this Sven blue velvet. I am so obsessed with this. I just don't know if I'm gonna like it long term. So I'm a little bit hesitant, and I'm also not sure how Andrew feels about it. Oh, here he is. Hi, babe.
Hi, Amy.
I'm just filming.
Oh, great. Tell all my fans I say what's up. Both my fans. My brothers. Tell my brothers I say.
I will tell your brothers.
Hi, doggy.
This is the Sven in not the sectional, just like in the regular sofa, which I think is what I think we'll go with. I really love the sofa and the color, and it also has really nice colors in gray, kind of a bluey, and this orange is so beautiful. I can't believe I like it so much. And here's the same Sven sofa in the brown leather, and it comes in other leathers as well. But I think I like the Charm Tan, kind of like a cognac color, best. We let Theo up on our couch, and I wonder about how much he would scratch that sofa in leather. Yeah. So that's kind of what I'm thinking for sofas. In terms of chairs, I really like this one. I want something that I can kind of curl up in. And actually that blue is really nice. So is the dark gray. I'm kind of wanting to get a little bit away from gray though. And then love this blue one. Maybe I could do like blue chair instead of a full sofa. I'm not sure, but I do love it a lot. And then you can also do the Sven chair in the leather actually as well, which I'm so obsessed with. I think it's so beautiful, and it would just be like the perfect thing to curl up in. I think I might do that one actually. In terms of rugs, I love that Texa one. Really like the Zuni sandstone print and texture. So we need something with like a bit of texture and print, just because with the dog and hair and all that stuff, we need something that will kind of disguise that. Oh, I really like this one actually. This dark gray one is beautiful. And I also really like the Article has kind of like a built-in bottom on their rugs, so you don't have to buy the, I don't even know what it's called, like the rug thing that you have to put underneath to keep rugs from slipping. So you don't have to do that with these rugs. I like the white, but we just can't do a white rug with a dog, a black dog. Okay, what else? These are all really nice. Oh, I really like this one. This pattern. It's really nice. Looks good with brown as well. Okay, I'm gonna choose between those two, I think. So that's kind of the inspo that we were thinking, or I was thinking. I always run all this by Andrew, but I kind of make a lot of decisions myself. So keep watching to see what we ended up getting. So, hi Theo. We really wanted something a little bit more warm. Our last living room was more gray and not very many warm colors and kind of like structured, minimalist, but we wanted something a little bit more inviting. So, this is a dog. We got him from Niagara Dog Rescue. No, I'm just kidding. So pretty much everything that we own is Article. It's one of my favorite furniture brands, and almost everything that we had before was Article, like the couch, our other table. I'll start here. This is the Taiga Table, and it comes with 3 sizes. So we put one on this side of the couch, one on this side, and then we have the other one in storage. Theo's new bed is the Sven sofa. It's in birch ivory, so it's a really beautiful color, but it has like texture to it, even in the color, which is really nice because it doesn't show dirt very much. Like it's not like a pure white couch, which I really love, but it still really brightens up the room a lot. And this couch is so comfortable, so comfortable. This little guy is called the Klaris coffee table, also from Article. So it's walnut legs, and then it's got this really nice glass table. And then we've got our Alexander McQueen book. And we got this skull actually from Bali. Andrew somehow loves skulls, which is awesome. And it's kind of a little McQueen tribute. The rug is also Article. This is the Zuni rug. By the way, I'm not being paid to say any of this. Some of these were gifted, but I honestly just love Article very much. This is the Zuni rug, and it's an 8x10, just for anyone who's wondering. And then arguably my favorite piece in the whole room is this beautiful leather Sven chair. So it's actually the same design as the couch, but it's this gorgeous kind of cognac leather. And I really, really wanted a nook to read in. At my dad's place in Vancouver, he has this big leather chair, and one of my favorite things to do is like read and kind of fall asleep in front of the fire. And we had a Barcelona chair before, which you will have seen from my previous apartment tour, and it was really nice. It just wasn't very like comfy to like curl up in, and I just found we didn't sit on it very much. So the new Sven chair was super, super important to me. I really wanted to have somewhere I could curl up and watch TV, curl up and read, which is my favorite thing to do in the whole entire world. And I just loved the cognac color so much, and I feel like the more we use it, the more beautiful it'll get. Like the color will maybe deepen up a little bit. It'll just wear so nicely. So I think this might be my favorite piece, and it's super comfy, super, super comfy. And then I just have this gray blanket. I like how it plays off the brown cognac color. So like I said, there's the Taiga table, and then we've got our Kate Moss coffee table book, and this vase that I got. I love this vase so much. So on one side is a mustache, and then on the other side is lips. So it's kind of like a his and hers vase. It's from Jonathan Adler. I got it on Shopbop. So cute. And then these are, I think these are fake pampas leaves. I'm trying to find nicer ones. So if you guys have any suggestions, I've been looking on Etsy. Let me know. These are from Indigo. Love these. And this is from Article as well. I actually bought this myself, I think last year. I just love that it gives you light, but it's not super overpowering. Theo really seems to like his new couch. This guy is actually a metal cactus that I got in Palm Springs. There is this kind of, it's not a mall, it's kind of like a little strip mall that's called The Shops at 13 something, 15 something, I forget. It's in my Palm Springs guide, but they have the coolest pieces. It's just the coolest interior design pieces and a few fashion pieces. And so I bought this when I was down there with my mom. I really love it. This is not new. You will have seen this in our previous apartment tour if you've seen it. I'll link it for you guys if you're interested. This guy is from IKEA. Yeah, it's just like a nice sleek piece. Doesn't take over the room too much. This planter I get so many questions about. It's from Modernica and it's one of my favorite things. And then the shelf is also from IKEA. And I'm realizing we need to get new black boxes because those have been faded by the sun a lot. And then the last piece or pieces that we got were these CD or SED, I'm actually not sure how to say them, bar stools. So they're black leather and then they've got this beautiful walnut backing and legs. And they are so comfortable to sit on. They've got this little lip, which is really nice because you don't have the full chair that would, I think, impede too much on our island, but it gives you a little bit of support. Before we had these like really crappy, just wood stools. I can't even remember where we got them, but they're just not very comfortable to sit on. And sometimes I'll work at the island because I love kind of how open our place is and how much light it gets. So I really wanted something that was more comfortable and practical. And these are like the perfect bar stools. Just really reasonably priced pieces for people who are stylish and who kind of don't want to break the bank, but also don't want to buy from IKEA anymore. So that is our living room makeover. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the pieces. I'm super happy with how everything turned out and kind of warmed up our room, and I just love that chair so much. I read in it all the time. It's so comfortable. I feel like it's really my chair. For anyone who may ask, this dress is from Aritzia. It's Le Fou Wilfred. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I need to say to you guys. I don't think so. Thank you for watching. I hope that this was helpful. I hope this maybe gave you a few ideas. If you guys have questions, please feel free to comment below. I'm happy to answer anything and everything. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.